Welcome to the Do This, It Works playlist for DashboardSymbols.com. If you recently needed to replace a laptop, you likely discovered that built-in DVD or CD players are a thing of the past, and any software on disks that you own can't be installed. We ran into this recently as well and found a workable hack that we'll cover in this short video. The only caveat here is that you will need access to a working CD or DVD drive. This one still works in the old laptop. Unfortunately, today's favorite business model is to get into your pocket for a monthly license fee, and software is headed this way as well. We certainly intend to put off migrating to this for as long as at all possible. We have two disks here, one a copy of Office with one more seat license available, and a Corel Paint Shop copy, Seats Unknown, both with proper license keys. The disks range from 200 megabytes to 1.5 gigabytes, which is not all that large. We don't have an external DVD drive, and you may not either, so we used a memory stick with enough space to accommodate the files. You very likely have a few of these hanging around by now as well. Make a new folder to hold the software. We then right-click the DVD and hit copy. A right-click on the USB device gave us a paste option. The files copied to the device without an issue. When run from the DVD, the software begins to install automatically. In the USB, you'll need to find the exe file or disk icon as you see here. Double-click it and off it goes. It will ask for the license key. And once added, the software installs without an issue. And that's it. The longest amount of time you'll spend is copying the files. Otherwise, you'll be good to go. And just an aside, our new laptop also has one fewer USB slots. So if you need another one, find one of these gadgets. This machine uses a Type-C connector as a charge port, and this gadget turns it into a Type-A port that you can plug any USB Type-A into. For more useful videos and information generally on automotive technology, warning lights, and push-button start, look for more from us here on YouTube. Subscribe to this channel or go to DashboardSymbols.com.